Not the way that you want.
Come here, baby budgie. Come here. Come on. Come to mommy being a good girl. Angelica, you being a good girl?
Oh, that's so cute.
Carrie.
I didn't do that.
Carrie doesn't.
I know that. I didn't even go to the bathroom today. Mommy, can we go to the bathroom?
Audrey, I'm trying to video the budgies.
Okay.
Not sure. I'm doing both.
Cosmo's so murdering. Yeah, he is. Ah!
Cosmo.
Mama, don't you even think about it. Wanna walk on my computer? I guess no, because you're staring at the boat. Come on, buddy.
Come here. Come here to mommy, Angelica. She's trying to go. She's trying to get on the projector. Francesca, you little bully. It's right, you stay off her. Stay off her tail. Oh no.
Wait, no.
Oh no,
Cosmo?
Daddy's gonna kill her. Who's gonna kill her first, Daddy or Cosmo? Whoa, Cosmo.
I think Daddy, because Cosmo
might be-
can't jump on
Do you
that
see his
side.
eyes?
Cosmo can't jump that side. Hi.
We have to get Angelica off of there. Okay. Come here. Come to mommy. No, don't go there.
You were so close to death, Angelica.
You really are close to death.
He's dead.
Okay, nobody wants to come to mommy today. Angelica? Damn it, Angelica. Oh.
Come here. Come on. Down. Get down.
What does spring do to cats? Cat are they very funny. They start bird watching.
I knew it. Hi, baby. I knew you'd come to mommy. Oh. Hey, Francesca. Sorry, baby. You can come over here. Oh, she's on my phone.
Mommy, this charger isn't long enough. What hat? What hat? He's getting bullied by the board.
Every single time he looks over here, I just get him the face with whiskers.
Hi, baby. Francesca. You be nice to Angelica. Yes? You being a good girl? Are you cute chicken? Francesca's so pretty. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. Yes?
My whisker just went up my nose. Question. When's the next time you're gonna use it that I whisker again?
Do not fight with her. She is allowed on here. She's allowed on here. Fight with your sister. Hmm? Chloe, you better hold him. Don't even let him flinch.
I want to get up. No.
There are no turns.
I want to go in the house. My charger's not long enough. It's long enough to go in there.
Audrey, Daddy got you a 6-foot charger. It should be very long. If it's not very long, then you're using the wrong one. Whoa!
It's Olaf and the bunny.
There she is. Come on, Angelica.
The weird thing about the cat on the TV is that he doesn't have any whiskers. And that's what the whole cat's known for.